Hey everyone. I've been deep into Eurorack for a few years now. Owning these modules, patching them up, and hearing them come alive? Totally fascinating. But then I started wondering, how do you actually build these things? The analog struggle and digital pivot analog circuits? Those schematics, waveforms, and physics charts always scared me off. I was never great at physics. But by trade, I'm a programmer working with embedded systems. When Eurorack started embracing more digital modules, it clicked. Why not build my own DIY modules using microcontrollers? That's what we're here for today. In this video, I'm showing off two modules I designed, soldered, and built myself, both fully digital, skipping the analog headaches. Module 1. Daisy Seed Drum Machine. First up, my DIY drum machine powered by the Daisy Seed microcontroller. I chose Daisy Seed mainly for its built-in high-quality DAC converter. No messy analog oscillators, just clean, programmable drums that integrate seamlessly into your rack. Module 2. ESP32 Utility Multi-Mode Module. This one's a sequencer, random note generator, and more, operating in the 0 to 4 volts range for about 4 octaves of control voltage. ESP32 is perfect for these utility tasks. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to program. The big challenge? Eurorack runs on plus or minus 12 volts with bipolar signals, but microcontrollers like these only handle 0 to 5 volts unipolar. Most CV is 5 volt friendly, but bipolar needs level shifting. Why digital DIY? Wrap up. These modules prove you don't need analog expertise to create killer Eurorack gear. Program your ideas and let the microcontroller do the heavy lifting. If you're into DIY Eurorack, hit like, subscribe for more builds, and drop a comment. Daisy Seed or ESP32? Which should I tackle next? Thanks for watching. Happy patching!